Hey there, Siya Politika here, giving you shot of politika sa Pinas. Since mainit pa rin ang usapan about political siblings, let's zoom out. Pag-usapan natin, paano ba gumagana ang political dynasties sa Pilipinas at bakit malaki ang epekto ng family dynamics sa power? So quick context. Sa Pilipinas, matagal ng tradition ang political clans. Kapag isang family nakahawak ng posisyon, usually sunod-sunod na yan. Mayor, governor, senator, hanggang national level. At dahil pamilya sila, minsan mas madaling magkaisa, pero mas madali ring magkaroon ng tension. Why? Because politics spark power. And power inside a family can get complicated real fast. Kapag may disagreements sa loob ng political family, hindi lang yan personal. It can affect alliances, funding, decision-making, at kahit ang direction ng buong administration. Kaya every time may tampuhan or clash, hindi lang ito drama. It's part of how political power actually works. So the question is, kung ganito kalakas ang role ng family sa politics, sino ba talaga ang may say? Yung individual or yung clan? I'm Siya Politika, follow me now, and we'll talk more about this sa next video.